has 28 new COVID-19 positive cases reported in Karnataka. That is as per the latest medical bulletin. Total number of cases in Karnataka has risen to 642. Davangere sees a spike of 21 new COVID-19 cases. A total of 26 deaths have been reported from Karnataka. A total of 304 people have been discharged in Karnataka so far. So, as per the latest medical bulletin, 28 new COVID-19 positive cases have been reported in Karnataka, and a total number of cases in Karnataka has now risen from 614 to 642. Davangere clearly has seen a spike of 21 new COVID-19 cases, and a total of 26 deaths have been reported from Karnataka so far. 304 people have been discharged in Karnataka. Let's tell you the details about the latest patients who have been infected due to COVID-19. Patient number 615, a 30-year-old male from Davangere, contact of patient number 556 and isolated at a designated hospital. So details of new cases coming up. Patient number 616, a 52-year-old female, again from Davangere, which was a contact of patient number 533, and she too has been isolated at a designated hospital. Next up, patient number 617, 38-year-old male from Davangere, again contact of patient number 533. As death toll continues to rise in Karnataka with 26, but these are the details of the new cases which we are showing you at this point of time. Davangere has clearly seen a spike of 21 cases in a day. Another one, patient number 618 from Davangere, 32-year-old female, contact of patient number 533 and isolated at designated hospital. The total number of cases in Karnataka are now 642, and you are looking at the details of patient number 619, 35-year-old male from Davangere, contact of patient number 533 and is currently being isolated at a designated hospital. Patient number 620 from Bengaluru, 32-year-old female, again a contact of patient number 533 and isolated at a hospital. Details of new cases for you. Patient number 621, 12-year-old female from Davangere, again a patient of contact of patient number 533 and isolated at designated hospital. Patient number 622, 7-year-old male from Davangere, or 7-year-old boy from Davangere, contact of patient number 533. So patient number 533 clearly can be labeled as a super spreader. These are the details of all the new cases released in the medical bulletin. Patient number 623, again from Davangere, a 38-year-old male, influenza-like illness and isolated at designated hospital. So clearly the number of cases have risen actually in Karnataka, as Davangere clearly sees a spike of 21 cases in a day, and a total of 28 cases been registered in the past 24 hours. These are the numbers from the latest medical bulletin which has been released by the Ministry of Health, as patient number 619, patient number 620. So across all these details tell you one thing, that irrespective of your age, you need to maintain social distancing, as we clearly had a 7-year-old boy to someone who is as old as 55-year-old. So clearly COVID-19 is something, the virus is something which will not spare irrespective of the age which you carry, and it has been a rise in number of cases. The total number 600, as we see the details of patient number 624 now, a 49-year-old female, again from Davangere. So clearly 21 cases from Davangere, and contact of patient number 556 and isolated at designated hospital, as COVID-19 death toll has risen to 26. Again, we have patient number 625, a 27-year-old male from Davangere, contact of patient number 533. These are the details of all the new cases which have been reported in the past 24 hours in Karnataka. Total of 28 cases. As we see the detail of patient number 626, a 25-year-old male from Davangere, again a contact of patient number 533 and is currently under isolation. Patient number 627, 33-year-old male from Davangere, contact of patient number 533 and isolated at a designated hospital. The death toll stands at 26 in the state. Patient number 628, COVID-19, 62-year-old female from Davangere. Contact of patient number 533 and isolated at the designated hospital. So all these cases, what they have done, increased the number of cases to 642. As we see, detail of patient number 629, 34-year-old female from Bengaluru. Contact of patient number 533. As the details of new cases emerging on front of your screen, patient number 630, 20-year-old female from Davangere. Contact of patient number 533. Patient number 631, 22-year-old female from Davangere. Contact of patient number 533 and is currently under isolation at a designated hospital. So clearly you can see the patient number 533 from Davangere clearly can be labeled as a super spreader, as he has infected 16 people out of the 28 which has come out in the latest medical bulletin, as Karnataka and the whole of India continues to battle COVID-19 pandemic. So as per the latest reports, 28 cases have been registered, out of which 21 cases have come out from Davangere, and 16 cases out of those 21 cases is the result after coming in contact with patient number 533. So clearly a super spreader over there in Davangere, as all these patients will now be put under quarantine for a period of minimum of 2 weeks. As 28 cases have been reported, now talking about the death toll, the total death toll at this point of time stands at 26, and one just hopes that all of these people actually recover, as Karnataka continues to battle the COVID-19 disease. From 614 to 642, that is the latest jump in terms of cases reported of COVID-19 in Karnataka, as we are again and again showing you the details of all the new cases on your screen from patient number 624, which was a contact of patient number 556, 49-year-old female. As no matter what's your age, it's all about protecting yourself from the virus, and the only way to do that is to stay at home. But with the relaxations coming into place, people have actually ventured out of their homes, and with all the restrictions in place, will we be able to nab or control COVID-19? That's the big question, because that's a big hike. 28 is quite a big hike when you talk in terms of a state which has actually managed to keep the numbers into control so far at this stage. But out of those 21 cases have been reported from Davangere, as number of COVID-19 cases in Bengaluru is now risen to 149. So we are one short of 150 as the total number of cases in Karnataka. So Bengaluru has 149 cases, Karnataka has a total of 642 cases.